Gotta get connected.
Over the last year, there's been a big shift to thin, ultralight laptops. Now, they're great if you're looking for basic performance on the go, like surfing the web and checking email, but what happens if you want workstation class performance in a laptop? Well, you're looking for a desktop replacement like the Dell Precision M4700 and M6700. These laptops run Windows 7, giving you the power, stability, and reliability of a proven operating system to help make everyday tasks easier. They're both powered by the latest Intel Core processors, and you can even choose extreme editions for a major performance boost. So let's imagine a day in the life of a power user, like a graphic designer in a large firm. You'd need serious power through the whole day running software like Photoshop and Illustrator, but it's not just about the processor. A real desktop replacement has to do everything, and it has to be portable too. With a system like the M4700, you have everything. Let's say before a morning meeting, you're putting the finishing touches on a file you were working on last night. Jobs like this render quickly on a machine like this, so you can get to where you're going on time. After that's wrapped up, you can head out to see a client at their office. There are two big reasons the M4700 is great for graphics pros. First, there's the big 15.6-inch display. You can choose to upgrade to a high-end full HD IPS option, which actually covers 100% of the Adobe color gamut, so what you see on the screen is what you get in print and on the web. That's huge for anyone looking for accurate proofing. The second biggie is your choice of high-end graphics. You can configure the M4700 with AMD FirePro or NVIDIA Quadro graphics. Having pro-grade hardware like this is essential for getting real work done. So after the client meeting, you can head back to the office and dock the system at your desk, where you can connect to an external display for more screen space. And logging in securely is easy. The M4700 has a FIPS Certified Fingerprint Reader, making this your password. So what do you get when you step up to something like the M6700? Well, in this you get a bigger, tougher machine with an extra dimension of interactivity. These systems are like brothers, making the M6700 the bigger twin. It's a 17.3-inch model, but this time Dell has included Corning Gorilla Glass on the top-end model that they're calling the Covet Edition. You can see why they'd call it that. The Phoenix Red is pretty hot. But the M6700 isn't just a desktop replacement, it's practically an office replacement. You can choose to add a secondary slice battery that works hand in hand with NVIDIA's Optimus technology to give you extra battery life. It's tough as well as beautiful, so for someone like an architect working at a busy site, it can definitely handle the bumps that come with it. It meets military requirements for resistance to temperature and humidity, as well as vibration, dust, altitude, and shock. And the M6700 adds a little bit of play to the work it does too. You can use the optional NVIDIA 3D Vision Pro system to get a good look at plans and schematics in real active 3D. And if you're planning on bringing work home again, it doesn't hurt that they're great for gaming and watching movies either. But let's face it, the traditional office has changed, and professionals are now looking for the option to work in a variety of settings. With systems like these, you don't have to sacrifice performance just to be mobile. It's great to know that you can have the freedom to handle heavy-duty work from just about anywhere.
Gotta get connected.